Okay, I hope you've been enjoying these videos that I've been doing on here recently, mainly geared towards DJs and producers and people that are trying to grow on social media. Now this one today is for the producers out there, and it's a really quick video. It's a really just a cool idea of a way to promote your track on your Instagram stories or on TikTok. So hope you enjoy this video. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos. Let's jump straight into this video. So let's just go into Canva, canva.com, and we go into the search thing up here, and we'll put promo video for new single. And you see it gives you some ideas here. You can just go through and find the one that you like the look of. And then you can edit it more going forward if you want. So I really like the look of this one, but we want to do it as a story post. So we want to put this in our stories. So what we can do is customize this template. Then you go up to here where it says Resize and Magic Switch. And we change the size to 1080-1920, which is the size for an Instagram story. That does its magic. And then we click on Resize this design, and there we go. So what we can do then is we can move it around a little bit. We can have new single at the top, make that a bit bigger, and we're going to make that bolder as well. Then let's go with the name of the track above and this graphic. Again, we want it a bit bigger, so we'll make that larger. Then we're going to have the artwork here. Okay, so then what we can do is we can go to Traxsource and we can get our artwork for the actual track. So let's just open another page. Let's say that we're going to do this one. So we want to grab the artwork for this, so we can just do a little screen record of that. Okay, so this is our artwork, so we can change it with that and just drag it over the top there. The other thing we can do is we could put it in this little gap in the middle here, just to keep it more on brand as well. So let's make that a little bit smaller. We then want to go to Elements and find a frame. I want a circle. To get that frame the right size. Then we send that back. Add our artwork over the top. And then you can see it jumps in there. Then what we want to do is select that, and we want to select the album and group them. Then we go to Animate, and we're looking for Rotate. So now what that'll do is rotate the artwork, so it looks like there's a record that's spinning round. So there you go. This is our artwork for our new track. We just download that, and then let's just see what that does. And this is what it will come up like on your story. What you can do is you can make it a little bit longer. It's only 5 seconds at the moment, so we can extend that. You can make it longer or shorter, whichever you prefer, but that's your track. And then all you'll need to do is to copy the link from Traxsource for the track, or you can look for your track when you go to post it on your stories. Find the image, upload it, click on your music, look for the track. Let's just say it's this one. And then you can hear you'll be able to hear your track playing over the top. You can always put a link to it as well underneath here where people can actually buy the track. And that's how you create a really quick promo video for your forthcoming track.